Hi guys, it's Katie. I'm at Shoes of Hollywood today. I'm doing some reviews for you. I have some very cute black glitter heels that I'll be trying on. I haven't tried on these ones before, so hopefully they fit. But they do come with a little cloth bag and they are black glitter. Take out that little piece of paper. They've got a little ankle strap, so I'll do that up. Here's the other one. Now let's see how high these heels are, because as I said, I haven't tried these ones, so I'm not sure how high they are. Now this is in inches. So they look like they're about a 6.5 from my ankle. A little bit more than a 6. So nice big heel, and they've got a lovely platform at the front. Let's try it on. And I'm just going to tuck this up. Oh, I love these ones. They're my favorite. So this here, we can tighten a little bit with the clip. Sometimes it's a bit tricky when they're brand new. And I'm just going to make that clip go here. So you just push it through. And then that strap goes in there. And then look at this little hack. So this little clip here just clips onto there. Voila. So easy. Now I might tighten this one now that I remember this is what they're like. So undo this one here and just wriggle it out, wriggle. And then I'll just put it in that one there. Just like that. I'll just tuck this up, and then this little clip just clips on like that. Oops, I think it should just go around a little bit more, so it's not the front. Let's try them out. So cute. I'll see you outside. Okay guys, we're outside. Let's go inside. Okay guys, back inside. They were very cute. Hopefully next time the sun's out to give it a little sparkle. And these just clip off. Just like that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we can't wait to see you next time.